Hello, welcome back to Easy Codes for Kids. I'm Stephanie Sutton. This is what I wear when I go out to the beach or the pool. But April Kathryn in this video is showing us her Shein bikini try-on. So she is giving us some great ideas for creating videos that have keywords in the titles, are super fun to watch, plus it helps us tremendously because she's trying on the product and we do not have to go through the horrible, awful, hideous process of trying on bikinis. Now, I don't know if you are like me, where I avoid swimwear at all costs. The last bikini I owned was during my honeymoon 18 years ago. I don't like bikinis. I don't like swimwear. I feel like it's very uncomfortable and I would prefer to die rather than sit out in a bikini amongst all my neighborhood friends. But I know that there are lots of people out there that love bikini season and love buying new bikinis. My daughters being two of those people, and they love Shein. Shein makes a lot of fun, trendy clothing at very affordable prices. So this is actually a fantastic idea to do and to copy, because you are trying on a pain point for someone else. So it doesn't have to be bikinis. It could be hats. It could be, let's try a toy. I, in my teaching genre, try all kinds of different STEM-related toys for educators and parents who are looking for fun toys, but also toys that teach. So April Kathryn features two different playlists, lifestyles and fashion. So she goes through lots of different fun ideas for us to live vicariously through her, to see her town, to do some different fun TikTok trends with her, as well as to look at different fashions and to just get a glimpse into her life. It's actually a really creative, interesting, fun journey when you connect with a YouTuber, and it really gets you thinking, what types of trendy, fun videos can I jump on to increase that keyword volume in my own titles and increase my own views? Okay, so let's dive in more to what April Kathryn is doing great on her channel. So first of all, she is a small YouTuber. She has just started, but she has almost 300 subscribers already. Is that fantastic or what? And she moves very quickly. So she has a great posting style, and she keeps up with it. So you don't see large gaps in her posting schedule. And she is very flexible on her creative content. So she moves quickly between doing a closet, let's review everything in my closet, to let's review a product review, to let's make a fun type of cereal that is trending on TikTok. She's trying lots of different types of content to keep her audience coming back to her, to keep her audience connected, and to just sort of try out different types of content. I feel that YouTubers who are flexible are going to have a lot more success than someone who is entrenched in one idea. So don't be afraid to take chances like April Kathryn. Her overall channel is just very fun, very light. It's educational, it's service-driven, it's also trendy. She's going for a young demographic, 18 to 24 years old, she said, is her tribe, her audience, and she remembers that. She goes back to that tribe and she says, okay, what can I try next? And this type of channel really interests me because it shows me what is trending. Are collaborations trending? Are TikTok, what types of TikTok videos are trending. And so it's really important for me as a teacher and someone who is creating more and more on YouTube to understand small YouTubers like April Kathryn. I think that she is going to go through the roof as far as views are concerned. And she is going to be a really great micro influencer when she, if she keeps creating content and keeps varying her subjects and really hones in on different types of videos that are getting those higher views. So without further ado, let's dive into her channel. Hello, I'm so excited to review April Kathryn's YouTube channel. Okay, so we are behind the scenes now in her analytics. I'm using my TubeBuddy account. If you don't have a TubeBuddy account, go ahead and get one. They are free. I use the pro version because they have a little bit more tools with them. So some things that April Kathryn does really well. The first video that we are exploring is her Shein bikini try-on video. So Shein is this really popular online clothing, and I don't know how long they've been in business. I do know that my two teenagers really like them and have bought bikinis from them. And so when I saw this, I was like, okay, I really want to review this channel because I think that this is a great keyword for anyone who wants to go ahead and explore online e-commerce straight to consumer goods. This is a great way to use a keyword at like a hot trending e-commerce store or product right in your title, and then get the product and then review it and give some really great insight, give your own personal, try on. You can give your own personal opinion. I see this a lot with technology. And I like to tell my students, study channels like this because, like April Kathryn, because she does a great job in pivoting her content. So she's very naturally creative and she's comfortable in front of the camera. And so she does lots of different things like trying Starbucks, trying TikTok trends, trying Shein, trying everything on in her closet, asking herself questions. Those are all really hot topics on YouTube right now. And so she gets those really popular keywords and puts them in her title. Smart, 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 right? So another thing that she does right away is she introduces herself. So we are at moment 12 seconds.
So people, it's April. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Shein bikini try on haul. So in this haul I got 6 bikinis. So unless you guys are living under a rock.
Okay, so I think that's super smart. So within the first 26 seconds, so I was at moment 12 seconds, she's introducing herself. She says the name of her channel after she introduces herself, and then she says, I am doing a Shein bikini try on, and then she goes, and so she cues herself in her video to then say, okay, this is where I'm going to go ahead and put up these photos in my video editor. So if I had to guess, I'm assuming she's using an Adobe product. You don't have to use Adobe. I used Adobe for years and years and years, and then it got just so ridiculously expensive that none of my students could really afford it. So I use Clipchamp now, which is fine. It still has the fun text overlays and the transforms that you can use, and then the transitions from slide to slide, which she also does really well. And the only thing that I would say in this video that is missing is she has a great introduction. It's like a really fun, funky beat. And I don't think she does it in this one, but we'll examine another one where she does do it. Now, in this video, so she goes on, she tries all these bikinis on, and she does a great job of explaining the bikini, what she feels is the durability of it, and then the pricing. And the price point is so low for these bikinis, which is terrific, because if you are buying bikinis, they are usually very expensive, and if you wear them a couple of times, they can wear out. And so the durability, I would be interested to see if she came back and said at the end of the summer that these have really survived. or if it's such a low price point that she's like, forget it, you know, I'll just buy more next year. So that would be an interesting follow-up. And I don't think many people do that. So let's go ahead and dive into her views here. So she has, it's very popular. It's 568 views. This is, I think, her second most popular video. She has a lot of comments with this. So it might be people who are asking her about what she likes, how durable they are, that type of thing. So she does, her total channel here is up to 5,000 views. She has almost 300 subscribers with just 17 videos. That's really good. And then she has thumbnails, info cards. She has her end screen. She has likes on Facebook. She has captions. She has her first comment and it's heart and pinned. So she says in her description, okay, so now what I would suggest, so she has done Shein Bikini Try On Haul 2020, and she has duplicated that in the first 200 characters of her description, but I would also go ahead and duplicate those tags as well. And then she has follow me, and she has her Instagram, her Pinterest, which this is a very good Pinterest topic. Okay, and then she talks about, okay, so let's go ahead and go over here to look at her tags for this video, and let's see if she's ranking on any of those yet. Now it's a very new video, so she might not be ranking yet. So this is a month ago, and look, she has 1,400 views already on it, which for a new YouTuber who's just trying to get their name out there, that's really great. Okay, so she has copied her title right into her description. Again, I would put those tags in there as well.
Hey, what's up, people? It's April. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a spring clothing try-on haul. I'm particularly excited about this try-on haul because I ordered from Garage. So Garage is a Canadian-based company in Montreal. I feel like I used to shop there a lot when I was a kid, but it's honestly, it's been some time since I shopped there. I'm 24 now, so I feel like the style of clothing has really changed over the years since I shopped there. But looking on their website recently, I've actually kind of liked some of the stuff that they had. Their website pulled me in with a BOGO 50% off top sale, I think. And then when I added all of my stuff that I liked to the cart, a lot of the stuff that I had wasn't on sale, so that kind of sucked, but I still ordered because I liked what I picked out. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. So the first thing that I got is just this basic way.
Okay, so I like how she is very approachable, and she gives a lot of really good product tips. So she talks a lot about Garage, and she has it right there in her title. And then she shows you a portion of it, a little screenshot of it, also in her video. And then she talks about pricing. She is quickly becoming a micro-influencer, which micro-influencer, I cannot tell you how much, I cannot tell you how much more important micro-influencing is becoming and will become into the future. There are so many people that put so much time and effort into these giant PR firms, there is so much money put into marketing and to giant PR pushes, and really these micro-influencers, they're doing the work of all these millions of dollars that are put into these ad campaigns. When I look at things, I'm a huge Amazon shopper, and I look at what people are saying in the comments much more so than I don't have time to watch TV to see an ad. I don't really think I see a whole lot of Amazon ads online. What I'm really influenced by are these little micro influencers that are on Instagram or YouTube, or my commenters on Amazon, how many stars it gets. If I don't see a lot of stars on a product, I just skip it. I mean, I do not buy it. I don't even look twice at it, actually. And I do buy a lot of clothing on Amazon. So, and then of course there are my friends, there are people that I follow on Instagram. I mean, it's just, that micro influencer, that whole, I feel like that whole channel, that micro influencer channel is just going to get hotter and hotter and hotter and bigger and bigger and bigger, because people like April Kathryn, she has no reason to lie about what she likes on Shein or Garage or a thrift store that's a local thrift store. What I would encourage her to do is to keep building up her audience and then try to become an affiliate for some of these services, especially the services that she really believes in and really likes. She's very personable and she's very easy to understand. She's funny. She's charming. I love how she has her kitty in these and she has her clothing. She's obviously someone who is very creative and someone who loves fashion. So if I am going to try and find something fun for a party I am looking at someone like an April Kathryn. Now, she is not in my generation. So, but if I was looking for something young and fun for my kids, I would definitely look at some of the things that she's suggesting.